Here I have HUAWEI NOVA 10, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the normal photo mode, and when you're in this mode, hold down shutter button in order to start taking a burst shot. So as you can see right now I took like 18 shots, and by going to gallery and tapping on this icon we can review all these shots. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.